See how she starts at 17. Oh my God, that was pretty good. Not bad for two bad injectors. Injector number 1 and 5 are misfiring, so those ones are bad. Holy crap. That was pretty good. Oh, I'm glad to get the exhaust clip now. Holy crap. That's a good one. I gotta turn the lights off so it doesn't take a lot of, so it didn't drain batteries quite a bit when it cranks. Yeah, she sounds pretty cold. It's still got old fuel in it. My dad's gonna run it all out. It, of course, gets bad mileage because it misfires. So, Dad's gonna wait until this whole old fuel's out. He's gonna get all 8 new injectors, not just the 2. All 8. And then it'll probably take off. Still takes off with 2 bad injectors. I'm pretty surprised. It's gonna go on a high idle. It's gonna go above 1,000. Oh yeah, she sounds pretty cold. There it goes. Look at the smoke now. Oh my God, it's going right in the woods. I think I'm going to turn the lights on now. Since the battery's been running, it's up on high idle now. And it needs a vacuum pump too because it only blows out a defrost. 255,000. She runs though. She fired right up pretty good with 2 bad injectors. Definitely a smoker. Picking up the smoke pretty good, not bad on that phone. That's what it's really doing. Well, I'm gonna go inside, let her idle until it's time to go. So